Hello children, welcome back to our class standard first, and we are going to start our lesson number 9 Soham's ball exercise, means question answer and match the following and tick the correct. But before I start this exercise, let's have a look and let's learn about yesterday's words, magic words. First word is thank you. Now, what is the spelling of thank you? THANKYOU, thank you. The next word is welcome. WELCOME, welcome. Next word is excuse me. EXCUSEME, excuse me. And last and the easiest word is SORRY, sorry. Now, these are the simplest words and the magic words for English. But you have to use these words in your conversation. Means whenever you get something what you want, then you have to say thank you. Then someone says you thank you, you have to say welcome, you're welcome. And next, whenever you are going to interrupt someone, whenever you are going to do something that disturbs someone, so you have to say excuse me. And last word is sorry, means your mistake, by mistake you did it, then you can say sorry. See, here are the magic word. The girl is saying, can you give me a pencil? Means she is asking about a pencil to a boy. Then the boy says, sure, here it is. You can say, please give me a pencil. That's why you have to use please. And then afterwards she says thank you, then you have to say thank you after you getting. Then the boy says welcome. And last word, the boy is sneezing, that's why he says excuse me. And by mistakenly one girl or one boy is hurting someone by mistakenly, that's why she says I am sorry. Then the boy or the girl says it's okay. This conversation tells us how to use the magic words in your daily conversation. But you have to say your mother thank you every day because she cooks for you every day. And then don't order her, just say please give me water, please give me food, understood? And help your mother every day. And then many conversations are there you can use, and many words are there you can use for your daily conversation. But now we are going to start our exercise. Exercise's first question is answer the following sentences, means answer the following questions. First one is who are playing football? Just tell me. We have read and we have learned this lesson yesterday, Soham's ball. Now tell me who are playing football? Very good. Soham and Sam are playing football. Soham and Sam are playing football. The next question is where does the ball go? The question I repeat, where does the ball go? Means Soham and Sam are playing football on the ground, but by mistakenly the ball goes into where? Very good. The ball goes into Mr. Mane's garden. Again I repeat, the ball goes into Mr. Mane's garden? Next question is, what should we say when we get what we want? Means what should we say whenever we are getting something that we want? Very good. We should say thank you. We should say thank you when we get what we want. Again I repeat, we should say thank you when we get what we want. We should say thank you when we get what we want. Write these question answers in your English notebook properly. Now, next question is, tick the correct option in each of the following. Tick the correct option in each of the following. First one is, which magic words will you use when you get a gift from your mummy? The easiest question. Which magic words will you use when you get a gift from your mummy? First word is thank you and next word is welcome. Which word you will use? Very good. When you get a gift, you have to say thank you. You have to say thank you. Next question is, which magic words will you use when you step on someone's shoes? Means by mistakenly, which magic words will you use when you step on someone's shoes? Two options are here. One, it's okay, and next is I am sorry. So tell me, by mistakenly you step on someone's shoes, so which will you use? It's okay or I'm sorry? It's okay? No, I am sorry. I am sorry. The next is, which magic words will you use when someone says sorry to you? Again I repeat, which magic words will you use when someone says sorry to you? First option is it's okay and next is welcome. Whoa, so simple. When someone says you sorry, you have to say it's okay, not welcome. Understood? You have to say it's okay. Then next and the last question is, which magic words will you use when you cough or sneeze? Which magic words will you use when you cough or sneeze? I'm sorry or excuse me. Tell me, which will you use? Very good. You have to say excuse me. When you cough or when you sneeze, you disturbs, no? That's why you have to say excuse me. Understood? And now I have explained this exercise, and you have to complete this exercise 2 times in your English notebook and practice it at home. Again I will ask these questions in next video. So stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.